relax
Hmm.
while doing yoga and exercise.
So, yeah, but I am not doing any kind of exercise because I don't need.
Yes, I am telling about yourself. You are need to.
No. If
What
you
would you
no
like to
if
go
you
with yoga and exercise?
no
Which is better?
it's need to everyone. Okay, it's need to
हाँ,
everyone. If you are thin means क्या बोले slim, but you have to try yoga also. If you
Yeah.
want to gain weight, so that way also you can gain weight. Okay, so you have to try
Okay.
yoga and
you
other things.
only not for body. I can say this is not important for only body.
Yeah.
Your
I am
mind, your thinking
I am
also. Yes.
thinking to yoga exercise, but only for 2-3 days. After that, I am
Feel lethargic.
lethargic
To go that
and
day.
again
Another
I
day.
am I am fed up.
I like also yoga because it is our requirement. We should do yoga daily, and because sometimes what happen, like homemakers, they cannot go outside, but yoga we can do at home as well. So we should try to do yoga daily in morning time. We should take out some time for ourselves, and in this way we can live healthy. And homemakers always think like they always be busy at home household chores, but household chores is not enough for exercise. But if you will do particularly like you will do particular some exercises, so you can feel very good, you feel energetic. And 21st June is known for yoga day. And nowadays some people do like when yoga day will about to come, so they start doing yoga only for show off, but we should not do such types of. And many people go at that day, like 21st June, they go park and they click some pictures, and after that they post on their social media only for showing off. But if we seriously do yoga, so we will get benefit by ourselves.
Yeah.
So that's why I think we should do yoga, because we can do easily at home.
Yeah.
That's it.
You share your point very well, ma'am. Well
Yes, ma'am.
explained.
Thank you.
Everything, yeah.
I want to do yoga,
And
but
Sandhya,
now
you also give explanation for that topic, because this question also for you, okay?
Yeah, I explain now. Yeah, but from my side, the yoga is good for our health, and because it gives a long life, and for our body from inside, not outside, very healthy. If we go with yoga, so I'll choose yoga. No, not exercise.
Exercise, yeah. Okay, can you tell some name of yogas?
Yeah, Tadasana, Vajrasan.
Vajrasan. I really like Vajrasan, because only this exercise.
Kapalbhati,
Anulom Vilom. Yeah, you also can.
They are
common yogas.
Yeah. But now
And I think Ranjita ma'am know others name as well. Yoga's others name, because she also does yoga.
yeah, not no. Nowadays, I'm not doing any yoga and exercise because I want to do yoga in the morning. But in the morning, I don't get time now. Okay, so I don't do yoga now. But yeah, I want to do and I love to do, and I love to do exercise in the yoga. And some name I know, like Tadasan, Vajrasan, and if I talk about pranayam, so Kapalbhati and Anlom Vilom and many things I don't remember now. But yeah, I am doing yoga for my means since my childhood, so I love to do it. Yeah.
Okay, I have one more questions for all of you. Like, what do you think? Which time is best for yoga? Doing yoga?
early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
Yeah.
I know. Means,
I
Yeah.
also prefer early
4
morning
to
because
5
that time you
5
your
it's a
body
good.
4
getting
to 5.
relaxed after.
No, no, no.
But
If
because there is no noise and you feel calm and relax, and second things you concentrate your mind and that time, and you don't have a workload, because as a housewife after 7
After
6
7,
you have a
we
lots
have
of
a lot of
workload.
work.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely,
So
definitely.
we have a lots of house chores. So that's in my side, the yoga and exercise good time is early morning.
But I never do like
Yeah,
morning
I also
yoga
don't
for
do because
I
yeah,
am doing exercise after 7 or sometimes
yeah,
8 because when I take a warm water, then my body feel to go for that there.
yeah,
We can say it means like empty stomach if we do yoga,
yeah.
so it is best for health.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And early morning you feel very better for exercise because you proper nap at night, na? So your body will relax and no need. Yes. And I want to ask one more question. What do you think yoga is best? And like other exercises like Zumba and many people do other exercises as well. So what do you think? Which one is best?
In my
Both are
side,
best.
if you want, if you like any exercise, like if you are a sports person, so you can do sports like badminton or anything you want to do. If you like
Exactly.
yoga, so you can do yoga. If you like dance, so you can do dance. So if means yeah, as your interest, you can do anything else. It means anything form of yoga. Okay, so yeah.
And what about Sweta? I also prefer like yoga and exercise at home because we have not much time to go Zumba classes and all because we are bothered. Whenever we are go for Zumba classes, it's a very expensive for a normal middle family. So that's why I also prefer yoga and this exercise. And you also can dance at home.
Yeah,
Lots of yes, lots of video you have and lots of Zumba classes online and offline also. So you can prefer in YouTube also. You can see their video and you are doing that exercise.
But
No need to
thing
go
is,
outside.
but
I saw
Sweta,
many reels
no, no.
that
Yeah.
completing house chores now, we can do so many exercise like
Yeah.
by mopping and sweeping, washing clothes. So we also do exercise that time.
Exercise, it is a exercise, it is not
Yeah,
exercise, it is our work, and we feel, no,
Yeah.
no, no, when we do that thing, when we do that thing, so we feel tired. Okay, but if you have interest of something and
yeah,
you do it that thing, so you can't feel tired now. So it's about your interest. If you do,
but you when you do exercise yoga, you also feel tired, na?
no, no, no,
So
if you have interest, you don't feel tired. Even even means in Hyderabad I went Zumba classes. I enjoyed a lot.
yeah,
I went
yeah,
for 4 months and I enjoyed a lot. And even I enjoy my yoga also, means at home also. So if you feel interested, you can't feel
Yes, that is
tired.
what
yeah, yeah.
that is your interest, ma'am.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you are
As
interested
per
to
interest,
go
yeah.
Zumba classes, then you also want to go. But whenever another one have no time for a go to a Zumba classes and all, so
Yeah.
then they are do exercise
Old
and
people
yoga
say
alone
that,
in
yeah.
house.
Old people
Yes.
say that while the completing house chores, so many exercise we done, and our
Yes.
body also feel
Also,
active
hmm.
while
No,
doing
but
exercise.
according to me, I think it is totally depend on person to person. Like whatever they want to do, they can do yoga and they can do exercise as well. But doctor always say like household chores is not an exercise.
Not
It is
exercise.
your work, because in that time you have lots of burden on your mind also, so you cannot relax. But when you will do exercise and Zumba and any other things like yoga, so in that time you will think only about exercise, yoga, and like whatever. So, but if you will do any household chores, so you have lots of pressure. So that's why I want to say like it is totally depend on person to person. If they want to do yoga, so they can do yoga. And about timing also, like if any person have a time at morning time, so they can do like in morning time. If they many women, they don't have time at morning time, so they can do evening time also. But it is like it is people compulsion, like they should do yoga.
Yeah.
Depends on person to person.
So if anyone have any another question, so they can ask.
Mm,
1 second. I am drinking water actually.
Okay, I can. I ask same question about the yoga. Our mothers, like they never do. No, they never do yoga and exercise. Okay, but still they are fit and they are doing a lot of work in home as well, more than us. Okay, and now they are getting old and doing a lot of work. So, what are your perception about their age and our age?
Who want to go first?
Nowadays, everyone eat junk food, and before early people love eat only healthy food. So that's why their age is. I would like to say they are very active, and they are completing house chores and farm things and so many works and handling their kid also. But nowadays we are fed up with kid and fed up with so many house chores. So it depends on for healthy food nowadays. It is a different one different. I feel. That's
Yes,
it.
even they are let's go.
And second thing is
Because
nowadays
that
places are all cities are very polluted. Before early people they are living their life very fresh life. Okay, so that's the reason. That's
food
it.
is
You know,
polluted, air is polluted, everything is polluted in this life now.
Yes,
Okay, but there
that
means in early people, they live in village, most of the people. And even in city also, people means less people, they means that time they means in city less people they live. Okay, but nowadays the population is very increase, and we are not getting good food, we are not getting good air, we are not getting anything else, means like many thing we don't get. So that's why we feel tired.
that's why we need the exercise also.
Yeah. That's why we feel tired, we fed up of everything, means raised our children and many things. So that's why we
Yeah.
can't compare our
Compare their
parents and
our
our
life.
our life.
yes, even our mothers never go outside for any exercise and yoga and to make themselves, and they are more active than us. I also feel no, I am calling to my mother, and I said sorry because before marriage I also shouted to to my mother. Only for I always think about why to angry to me always. always you are angry. But now I am thinking when I want my children, why is I am irritated always. Only two children I can't tolerate when they are stubborn. But she is doing a good job. Means I am six member sibling in my family, and they take care alone. Never, no one take care to myself, and means study. Also, she is also illiterate, not much educated, not much educated to teach me. But I am educated to teach my children. Even I am very frustrated. I know about how to control, but in nowadays I can't be control my anger. So this is a very bad thing about me.
Yeah.
Okay. You all said very well, but the main thing is that, early people, they always used to do their work very properly, very systematic, and very respectively. But nowadays, what is going on? Like people earlier, like people are also very less. According to now, population has increased a lot. But in a village, people always think about like they wanted to do their works by themselves, so they were very active. And still like our like parents in-laws, if they will got their body checkup, so you will get their report are very good. My in-laws, they got healthy checkup, so their report is very good. But our report, if I will got my health checkup, so my vitamin D is less, my hemoglobin is less, because we didn't eat like healthy food. And nowadays we cannot get organic food. But in early time, people, they used to do like kheti field. They grow their food on the fields by themselves. So they always used to eat fresh food, fresh water. Even now I live in Delhi. In Delhi, water supply is not good. Very dirty water we get here. So, and you have listened many times in news, like people are giving injection to many vegetables, many fruits.
Yeah.
So we are nowadays we are eating pesticides food, so it is a very harmless for health. So that's why our condition is like that. And nowadays people are also like very lethargic. And our children also, if we do any work to if we see any work to them, so they don't want to do like they do very very means they don't want to do very easily. They do very like
nowadays they
they
also don't work.
they want to do very procrastinate for doing that work. But early times everyone is very active, was very active. So this is the main reason. And every time people are scrolling reels nowadays. Everyone has their own phone. They are busy in their phone. Even like in a one home, if they are 4 members, so they have 4 mobiles, and they all are busy to their phones.
Their mobile.
Even a holiday.
So this is
also.
main problem actually.
Yeah. You are right, ma'am. Well explained all the topics, all the questions.
Okay, now I stop my recording.
I
That
also-
we are
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, my son is also saying to me,